Hey guys, welcome back. So September, it is finally here. That means the fall makeup season has arrived, and today I'm gonna be doing a fall makeup look. So I'm gonna be starting right away, and I will prime my eyes using this eye cream from Chanel. I'm super dry on my under eye area, so this is definitely a must for me. And then I'm gonna jump right into priming my face, and I'm using the stick primer by Milk Cosmetics. It is a stick that I totally love because it's super easy to use. I just go like this around my face all over. And then I am using my fingers to blend it. For foundation, I'm gonna go with Prism Libre Skin Caring Glow by Givenchy. This one comes in 30 different shades that you can choose from. I am in the shade 1-N95, and it has like a medium coverage with a radiant glow. It is like my absolutely favorite foundation. I just love it, and I like to go like this with my foundation and then to blend it out. Now for concealer, yes, you've guessed it, I am going with the new Radiant Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury. I just love it, and I'm in the shade 2.5 Fair. So I like to do a few dots here and here on the outer corner of my eye, just to kind of lift everything when I'm blending that out. Then a few dots here on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, around my nose as well, and on my mouth, like around my mouth and on my chin, just to kind of highlight these areas. Again, I'm using my beauty sponge to blend that out. I like the coverage that it gives, and how, you know, how actually radiant it looks. I think it is a beautiful concealer, and it is actually worth its money. I also have a review on this concealer where I am blending it with a brush and with a beauty sponge. So if you want to watch this, then feel free to do it. I'm gonna be having a card up here that you can click on it after the video, and let me know in the comments below if you like it. Okay, so I think this looks pretty decent. It looks perfect. Now I will go with a bit of a bronzer, and I'm taking City Bronzer by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Light Cool. This has been like my favorite bronzer the last couple of months or so. I just love the color, the warmth it gives to my face, how it blends, how it looks so natural. I just love it. Also keep in mind that in fall and in winter you don't have to go with a lot of bronzer, so try to keep everything natural as much as possible. So now I will go and apply a little bit of powder, some pressed powder, and I'm taking Essence Mattifying Compact powder. This is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Soft Beige number 2, and I am going just here on my forehead down my nose, around my nose, just actually on my T-zone, you know, it's the place where I get oily throughout the day. And I'm just gonna set my under eye area, so I think this should be quite enough. I'm gonna go straight to my blush, and I'm taking MAC. It's a gorgeous movie color, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. So I will take a brush, and I'm going with my blush again here on the upper, like here on the highest points of my cheeks, bringing it here on the temples. I like to, you know, kind of lift everything. Looks more natural this way. This is also a nice color this blush has, because you can actually use it as a eyeshadow if you want, you know, and have like a monochromatic makeup look. It has been something that I like to do very often. So now I'm gonna go and kind of shape my brows, and I'm using this brow pencil by Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift, and this is in the shade Brooks. So this is the shade that I am using. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'll just brush them up and then use the brow pencil to kind of fill the gaps. So now I will move to the eyes, and I'm using this eye primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I am going to take like a concealer brush and go directly here to my eyelids. So now for eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills in collaboration with Carly Bible. To have some beautiful colors actually that I can use for today's makeup look. I just love this one, and it is extremely pigmented as well. So let's see. Now for my first color, actually as a transition color, I will take I think I'm gonna go with Bible. This is like a brown color, and I'm using the MAC 224 brush, and I am gonna go right here into my crease. So this looks like the perfect color for a natural makeup look. I just love how beautiful it looks. Obsessed. And I haven't been using this palette so much, which I don't know why, honestly, but I think this palette has some serious potential. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm just keeping it, you know, super light, just giving some definition to my eyes. Now with an angled brush, I'm gonna go and take I don't know, Steve, whatever, this shade, and I will go with this one here on the outer part of my eye. And now on the other half of my eye, I'm gonna go with Cindy. Now with a clean brush, I want to go here on the edges and blend them out. Now I will go back to Bible and I want to go with this one here on the lower lashes. And with my finger I will take Bolly or Bolli, I think it's Bolly, and that one I want to apply it just on the outer corner of my eye. Now to complete off this look, I'm just gonna go with some mascara, this one by Maybelline Colossal, and I'm going on the upper and lower lashes as well. I'm not really a fan of using false lashes as well as a color. I do get the feeling that they are destroying my natural lashes, so I kind of try to avoid using those, but anyway. So now I will go and add a little bit of highlighter, and I'm taking Pure Nude by Essence, and I think I will go with I will take this shade. So I'm gonna go firstly here on the highest points of my cheeks. I totally love this palette. I mean, just look the glow. Insane. Totally in love. Now for the lips, actually I have no idea what to use. I have two lipsticks from Maybelline that I like to use, but I guess I'm just gonna combine both of them. So the one is Baddest Beige, this one has a gorgeous color, and the second one, it's kind of a movie shade, and this is Stripped Rose. Just gorgeous. So these are the two lipsticks that I want to use today. Firstly, I will align my lips, and I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Melrose Place lipstick. This is a must lip pencil that you have to have. Literally, I have other shades from them. I have also done a review on these pencils, which you can find on my channel. They're absolutely amazing, long lasting, they don't transfer, which makes them perfect, you know, just to like also to fill in your lips and use them as a lipstick. They will hold like for hours, even if you drink or eat or whatever. They are just amazing lip pencils. Okay, so I will slightly overline my lips, but only here on the Cupid's bow and then underneath my lips, and then I'll just follow the natural line of my lips. And I'm using just my finger to kind of smooth it out. And now I will go with the lipsticks. Firstly, I will go with Stripped Rose. and then just in the middle I will go with baddest beige. So you guys, I think this is the final result. I just love this eye makeup with this lip combo. I think it looks perfect. Let me know in the comments below. And also if you want to see more fall makeup looks, and actually I was thinking to do like a fall makeup series, you know, something like where I will be posting probably 5 to 7 days in a row different fall makeup looks. Just let me know in the comments below if you like the idea, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!